What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is All Wings Everything, and you already know you're back in my kitchen with your boy Spinelli for another easy and delicious recipe. And today we got them wings. Y'all already know when we do the wings, it's something special. Guys, I'm gonna show you how to make a Caribbean spice wing. Man, whew. Guys, you're gonna love this one here, trust me. So I hope you're in your kitchen. I'm already in mine, so let's go. All right, so here are the ingredients we're gonna use for today's recipe. Let me tell you what we have. Now, I consider this the star of the show because I love cooking with booze. Right here we have our spiced rum. So you wanna use spiced rum with this, guys. I think spiced rum's like that Captain Morgan's. They also have, I believe they have Bacardi that has a spiced rum, but you wanna use spiced rum. We have some olive oil, soy sauce. You can use, I'm gonna use some of this pickle pepper hot sauce, or you can use some sriracha sauce or your favorite hot sauce, it doesn't matter. I'm using dark brown sugar. Now, if you have light brown, that's fine. Also, some honey, some green onions, sesame seeds, that W sauce. You need that ginger beer, ginger, a lime, some garlic cloves. And in this recipe, the co-star of the show, our wings. So these are the ingredients, guys. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, so here are the ingredients we're gonna use for today's recipe. So we have about 2 pounds of chicken here. I have 3/4 cups of ginger beer. Right here I have a teaspoon of freshly grated ginger. Right here I have the juice of 1 lime. Have 3 teaspoons of honey, 1 teaspoon of sesame seed, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 5 tablespoons of spiced rum, 2 green onions chopped, 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 2 teaspoons of W sauce, 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, 4 garlic cloves minced, and 6 teaspoons of my hot sauce. So these are the ingredients, guys. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, guys, so we're gonna start preparing our sauce. So what we're gonna do is start adding all our ingredients that we have here, except for our rum, into this pan or pot. So I'm just gonna start off with our ginger drink. Add that in there. Next, our olive oil, our garlic cloves, that W sauce, soy sauce, ginger, our lime juice, brown sugar, green onions, our sesame seeds, our hot sauce, and lastly, our honey. And we're gonna bring this up to temperature. And before it gets up to temperature, we're gonna reduce the heat to low, and we're gonna allow it to cook for about 5 minutes. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and reduce it because it looks like it's gonna come up to a boil. We don't want it to be to a full boil. So we're gonna reduce it, and we're gonna let this cook for 5 minutes on low. All right, so now it looks like we are there. So I'm gonna turn this off and I'm gonna let it cool. Now you can do it 1 or 2 ways. You could either go ahead and pour this over your wings now, pop them in the oven on 375 degrees, or you could let it cool, pour it over your wings and marinate it overnight. What I'm gonna do, pour it over my wings, let it marinate overnight, and tomorrow I'm just gonna pop this in the oven and we're gonna get to cooking, all right? All right, so now that our sauce has cooled, what we're gonna do now is we're gonna take it and we're going to pour it over our wings like this. Just like this, we're gonna pour it. And you already know we had some, we never did put our rum in there, so we're saving it for this part. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna add this over our chicken wings. And yes, what you wanna do, guys, is you wanna add a little salt over here. Or, you know, you wanna season, put a little salt over your chicken like that. And we're gonna do the same thing with the pepper. Add a little pepper over the top like this. All right, so like I say, you could either pop these in the oven right now, or you could let them sit here and marinate overnight. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let them sit in here and marinate overnight, and then I will be back and we'll pop them in the oven for a quick 50 minutes, and then we'll be ready to go, all right? See you in 24 hours. All right, so we're back after leaving these in the refrigerator for overnight, so let's go ahead and take a look at them, guys. Take a look at that. Looks good. So what we're gonna do is I already preheated the oven for 375 degrees. I'm gonna pop them in here, let them get roasted on up, And then I'm gonna pull them out and I'm gonna tell you guys what we're gonna do, go from there, all right? So let me get these in the oven and I'll be right back in 40 minutes. All right, so we're about 30 minutes in. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna flip them over. I just like flipping mine over and cooking them on the other side. Make sure they get that same type of loving on both sides. So I'm gonna go ahead and flip mine over. So whatever side you had them on, just go ahead and flip them over. I didn't put them all on, I didn't place them all on the same, all of them skin side down. I just, whatever, however I set them in there, that's where I kept them, so. And I'm gonna do the same. I'm just gonna sprinkle a little salt on this side. Remember we did that on the first side. Sprinkle a little salt on this side. Make sure they're pretty seasoned. And also I'm gonna come behind it with a little pepper also. And I'm gonna stick these back into the oven for another about 20 minutes and I'll be right back. So this is what we have from right under the broiler. Man, these look good. So I had some reserve sauce that I had. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna start brushing these babies down with some of this sauce like this. Now you could toss them in this sauce if you want, but I don't want them tossed in the sauce. I don't want them too saucy. A light brush would just work fine for me. Guys, take a look at that. Man, that looks beautiful. All right, guys, so I'm gonna get these over in a plate and I'll be right back. And there you have it, guys. Caribbean spiced wings. Does it get any better than this? At the moment, not until my next wing recipe, but right now, this is the best it's gonna get for you today. Guys, take a look at that. Yes, and the measurements are all in the video description below, guys, so check it out. Click those Amazon links, it'll take you straight to Amazon to get these products, guys. I really appreciate you supporting the channel. Don't forget, pick up that ebook. We got to get into quality control because I'm ready to bite into these and let you guys know what it tastes like. All right, let's go. All right, so now it's time for quality control. You already know the best part of the video. So let's go ahead and try these babies out. Let's take a look at them, man. Look at that big bowl, nice size bowl. Wings right here, take a look at that. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and try this first one. Let you guys take a look. Oh man, oh man. Can we focus in on that baby? Ooh, look at that baby. All right. I'm the wing king. Man, look at these babies, bro. Nice and sticky and the sweetness. Take a look at that. Guys, you don't taste the rum. I mean, you know it's there, but it's not something that's, you're not gonna get drunk, put it like that. You wanna keep the rum in it. It's a Caribbean spice recipe, so you wanna make sure you put the spice rum in there. God, I just gotta try one more just in case. I may be lying to y'all. Y'all don't want me lying to you, do you? Absolutely delicious. You're gonna love this. So until then, I'm your cook, Spinelli. All wings, everything. Pick up that ebook, Down Home Foods, and I am out. Peace.